Welcome you all to Krishnavik channel. Our today's project through a Linux shell script, word counter. This script counts the number of words in a text file provided by the user. It uses the wc command with the -w option to count words. This is an interesting script for every student for their Linux project. Hope you will enjoy it. Happy learning. Let's start. Choose an appropriate location to write the script. Type the following command to create a script file named word_counter.sh. Type your sudo user's password. Press I or insert key and write the following script. Through this command line, the user will be prompted to write file name with path. This command will be calculating the words numbers of the file. And by this command line, the ultimate result of word count will display. Save and exit. Type the following command to assign execute permission on this script for all users. This script file is now executable for all users. Let's run the script file to test it practically, but before that I like to show you my_files directory, where I kept few files which we'll use to demonstrate this project. Let's choose any random file and view it through cat command, like file5.xps. This file has only 2 lines content. Let's count the words of this file through the script. Select the file path and press Ctrl+Shift+C to copy. Run the script file. Paste the file path by pressing Ctrl+Shift+V. Perfect, the script has been shown the result successfully. Let's verify another file, this time file2.pdf. This file is quite bigger than previous one. Let's count the words of this file like previous one. Perfect, script has been working flawlessly. Thanks for watching. Get ready to be thrilled because another exciting video is coming your way in just 1 week. Stay with us.